Hello guys, what's up? How are you doing? Here is Nero. Today in my channel I will explain to you my personal trading strategy, and I will show you how you can really apply this strategy on the market. Now, before getting into my strategy, I will must talk with you about these things. It's very important. Now, the reason behind be- oh my god, I have some problems. English, fuck English. So the reason behind you are watching this video that you want to be successful on trading, and the deep reason why you enter this video because you think that if you learn this trading strategy you will be profitable trader, and this will not happen because it's not about the trading strategy that will make you really successful, but it's about emotions, the like controlling your emotion and applying your risk management, and don't over trade, don't overthink, don't over fear, don't like any type of emotion. All right, we don't want to have any type of emotion we wanna when we want to trade. All right. Now the second things, it's the it's the choices. All right, it's the choices when you are applying this strategy. All right. So when you ever trying to apply any strategy, any type of strategy, you really have to analyze the chart, and you really put some scenarios on your mind. So if any one of this scenario it's the market show for you, so you can really start act uh, and start really apply the trading setup. So let's jump direct through the explanations how you can really trade using this strategy. All right, so what is this strategy basically? What you will learn in this strategy? So the first things first, we will use profile volume. Okay, so the first things you'll use profile volume to identify a really valid key level, because you see you can really find so many support, so many resistance, but view of this support and resistance will work with you. So that's why we'll use profile volume to really identify a key level, a valid key level, so we can really trade with. Now the second things, we will use Bollinger Bands. Third, we will use RSI indicator. Alright, and four, we will use structure to really identify in which direction we will look for when we want to really apply our strategy. Right, so we have this four things we really have to consider, and I will show you live example. For example, this was today. I had the key level at this point, and price break out the Bollinger Bands, then confirmation, then entry, then boom, your target, it's hit. All right. So the first thing before I complete for you the strategy, this strategy I do myself. Like, I didn't copy this strategy from no one. I try multiple indicator, I try multiple concept, I try multiple things. All right, to really identify this strategy. So this strategy, it's I extract from the market and it's work right now. It has really good results, this trading strategy. All right, but the main point you really have to focus on after you learn the strategy, you must really control yourself and control and be disciplined with trading plan. Like, you have to create plan about this strategy, how you will exit, which is the time zone, and I will show you everything. Don't worry about that. Just don't forget to press a like button, and give me your opinion in the comments, whatever is it, and I really accept it if it was negative or positive. So let's complete through the trading strategy. So how we will find a key level. All right. So first thing first, in this side in trading view, you will find so many sections. Yeah. So in which section? Sorry. Ah, in this section, this first, second, third. This is the four. This is five. In this one, you will press here, and you will find a profile flex range volume, and I will show you guys the settings you really have to apply when you want to really use this key levels. So let's go to the setting. And first thing, the first option, keep it in text per row, and the second one keep it 8, and this one keep it total, and third one keep it 100. Okay, now for rest of settings, this is point of control. All right, I will explain to you this whole settings and the whole concept about volume profile. Okay, so this is the volume profile, and this is the histogram of volume profile. So what we can see here, what is the point or the area we want to select key level of them. So this is what we will look for. When you see, when some mount, like let's say it's just some mount. Okay, so this is, what is this mean, this is high volume node area. So in this key level has most of trading volume. At this key level you can see price how many times he really trade into this key level, which is, it's made this key level too strong by the way. And you can see, if you can see right there, if we just draw any line like at this key level, you can see how many times price reject of this zone. 1 2 3 5 6 7. It's too strong key level. Okay, so when we want to really look to the volume profile, okay, you want to identify those mount. Let's say mount to be more simple for the who watching now this video. So we have this mount, we have second mount, third mount, we have this one, this, or let's say it's little bump on the histogram. So we can really put some lines, put one line here, like for example this was in other volume profile. Okay, and we have this, and we have this one, this little bump. Do you see this one? All right, so how I took this long trade. Okay, so the first thing first, you have to look for you have to look for structure, really, the first things. So here we was have this high, this low, this high, then this low. Then price in London, when London open, price reach back all the way to this key level. Even see how he respect this key level. Like this is pretty cool. This is amazing, guys. Like for this is legend. Okay, so now what we waiting for? So we wait the first move, which is, we'll call it A. Now B, it will be the retracement for this key level. Okay, when price turn back and retrace the key level, like in this case you trace key level, even if there is 1 pips, it's not really matter. Okay, price then turn back, give you confirmations, then retrace, you here enter. Okay, and boom, you get your profit. Okay, so this is the first thing, or this is the one setup I took. I will show you other setup in US oil. So for this trade you will use gold, you use US oil. And for trading time, trading zone, you can use London sessions and you can use New York session as well. Okay, so I apologize, guys, because this is my mother to tell me that's the food is ready for, like, for dinner. Okay, so this is the trade 2 in US oil. The same things, break of structure, key level, price turn back, a breaking out of Bollinger Bands, then bomb, you in, you out, you done. The same things here. We had a break of structure, price turn back all the way to the key level, and guess what happened? Boom, you take this really amazing shorts at this point. Okay, so I explained for you the volume profile, and I explained to you what it's really important in volume profile is a little bump in price in histogram. So like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Like you have to really train your eyes to see this little bump volume on the volume profile, so you can really uh, draw some line around it. And when price turn back into it, you really have to switch to 1 minute time frame to really see the structure as well. So what is the time frame we use in this strategy? So we use 1 minute time frame, we use 1 hour time frame, we use sometimes we use daily, but you can really change daily to 4 hour. All right, and 1 hour, or 1 hour and 15 minutes, we will identify key levels. Like in 1 hour we will like draw the basic key levels. In 15 minutes we will refine these key levels, or for have more confluence for the key level. So because you see sometimes you will get the key level in 1 hour time frame, okay, and price it's really now, like, let's say price it's going to retrace some of this key level. So in 15-minute time frame you identify the same key level, maybe the key level in M15 will be more close, so you don't want to miss out the trade, right? If the all rules show or the setup show, you don't want to miss this trade. So that's why we use M15, okay, to really um, identify the key level. So this is the trade like yesterday even, guys, believe me, see how many trade I really did using this system. And in the same way, it's not even complicated, just remove this volume profile. So the same things here, I had a key level, price turn into it, boom, break out the Bollinger Band, divergence in RSI, and boom. And by the way, let's explain the RSI. So this is the RSI, this is the setting. So you stop this video, I will open the setting, then stop this video and take this setting, 8173. This is for scalping setting. And I'm a scalper trader. I really don't care if the market he will move to the moon, or he will move to the hell. All right, I only care about scalp the market with short move, and I'm done. Like, this is the most important things about the strategy. This strategy it's more big. Have like, I think make more than one video to explain for you guys the every part of this strategy. So you can really, when you apply it, you can really understand it. Okay, you can really understand the way how the strategy work. So this one of the example, we had a breakout structure at this point, price turn back to key level at this point, and boom, price dropping too, like too strong, too massive. Same things here. Here was some range, it was really bad. And this is out of my trading time, to be honest. I didn't trade this, but this is just for show you the example. This was in London, so we are right. And this one too, we had a market structure shift, or you can even call it break of structure. So basically, what's market structure shift, what is break of structure? It's refinement from technical analysis, a price creating a higher high or lower low. Like, it's trend let's say it's trend concept. Okay, it's trend concept, it's not even complicated. And if you want, guys, I can really explain for you everything about this strategy. All right. And by the way, I have also mentorship to one by one. I can really enter with you a call, okay, when you really can, I can teach you face by face this trading model, this trading strategy, and the setup you should really use trading this setup or this strategy. So this is was 5 risk to reward. Price run more than 5, like he run away 9 risk to reward in this trade, to be honest. Okay, and this is was exactly in London. So in London session, um, we do tap in key level in higher time frame. I believe this was like more down, it was around here I think, but I think I moved this one because was there's another key level, but not the same day, I think in other days. Yeah, exactly it was here, I think here. So in London Open, we get confirmation, we in, we have every single rule apply, and this was A plus Bollinger Band breakthrough. Now I will give you breakdown of what now I teach you about this strategy, okay? And I will try to make it simple as possible. Um, all right. So the first thing first, it's the profile volume. All right. So we'll draw volume profile to find the key level. So this is the first step. You really want to find the key levels has volume, you know, has volume. So key levels, these key levels will be more really strong because institutions and hedge fund or the banks, you really use this price to trade with. All right. I mean, they didn't trade like us. They didn't open just. They don't open MT5 or open trade locker and long and short. No, they trade by algorithm and they make profit from spread. Yeah, so this is the first things, volume profile. This is the first things and the important part of of finding key levels. Now the second things we want to apply on the chart, it's the structure. So whenever price, let's say price at this point, let's say he giving us break of structure. So this is means price creating higher high. So price in bullish trend. He are not in bearish, he are in bullish. So this is the first things we want to really we really have to find. Are we are going higher or we going lower? So you can really make decisions in which way you will trade if price turn to key levels. Okay. So after price breaking the structure, when a price turn back to this key level, like in this point will be a key level. When price turn back here, you want see you want to switch direct to 1 minute time frame, and what you want to wait here, you want to see the price out break through Bollinger Band low, like in this example. Okay, when he break out of the volume of the Bollinger Band range, so this is the first indications. I really use Bollinger Bands to really identify strong entry point, which is it's to really improve it by back testing and by really real market. So this is would be too useful. You can use RSI as like divergence when a price here creating higher high or lower high. In in RSI he would create a lower low, so this is called divergence. So this is the other confluence you will take. You can use as well with UK oil SMT, but this is I will not teach you this now because it's advantage, it's advanced level. Really now I wanna really keep you in the way. I don't want you to be lost. Okay, in 1 minute time frame we will use supply flipping to the demand or demand flipping to the supply based in 1 minute candle. This is like for me this is the real demand and supply. You know, most of people teach supply and demand in zones, but I really saw the demand and supply it's used by shadow, it's not used by zones, and it's too really bad option to use supply demand like zones. Okay, so when you ever get confirmation, you get into this trade. Now for risk to reward, it's up to you. Okay, you can you can aim in for 3 risk, 4 risk, 5, 6, 7, 8 risk to reward, but I will recommend you try to really in the beginning from 2 to 4 risk to reward maximum. Okay, sometimes you can take 2, sometimes you can take 4. There is some system for TB as well. I will explain later because this video will get too late. um, so yeah, you will get in and I will show you example of how you will identify supply demand based on shadow. Right, so for this example, this is the trade I took. So let's remove these positions at this point. So you can see that price in London session turned to key level, he break through Bollinger Band. See guys, the London sessions open here. Now for most people they will ask me questions. Why you didn't enter here? The reason is too simple, because we didn't break through Bollinger Band. We wanna break through Bollinger Band. So this act like support, okay? So we really wanna identify those breaks to really after that look for our setup. Then when we break through this Bollinger Bands, okay, you want to see strong candle break out. Okay, then price retrace back to this shadow. You want to look for old shadow, like in this case price reject this rejection. Okay, so what is this mean? This means there is demand at this point, and price if he break again and retracement, so he will really push higher. So this is one of the scalp technique I think no one teach, I think, because I found by myself. Okay, so this one, this trade, third trade, this whole trade. um, if you really like my content, don't forget to support me by pressing like button and give me your opinion in the comments. I will really read the comments. All right, and I know I don't have much view at this point, but in this channel, I'm sorry, but I'm too experienced. I trade most of like 3.5 years and I really backtest so many strategy. All right. So I apologize, guys, because my mother come and go tell me come eat. Okay. So I think this is the end of this video. If you really enjoy watching this video, and one more thing, this strategy no one teach, I find by myself. All right, and it's too strong, too powerful if you really apply it right. All right, and I give you the strategy for free. Like I mean if you are backtest some strategy and you really get tired of backtesting so many strategy to identify a good strategy with good win rate, do you share the strategy with people for free, or do you even care, or do you even care about others? What I am here care about of others, because I really sacrificed, I really lost on trading, and I don't wanna like the beginners, or even if you are experienced trader, I don't really wanna to make you lost. All right, so this was the video. I hope you enjoy. If you enjoy, support me in this channel, share this video with your friends, with your group, and we'll see you around for sure. See you soon. Here was Nero.